Advantages of China automated breeding equipment egg cage. Laying hen cage is a form of rearing broiler chickens that is more popular at home and abroad. The reason is because the design of laying hen cage provides a comfortable environment for chickens, so that chickens play a better role in the rearing process. The main advantages of the design of laying hen cage are manifested in the front mesh and the cage door. The density of the cage. The angle of the rolling eggs from the perspective of the chicken's interests are more embodied in these aspects. Laying hen cage front mesh design is generally used. Vertical wire and a few horizontal wire composition. Vertical wire gap is between 4.5 and 6.5 cm. Cage door is generally in 2 to 3 wires, front neck connection, like inside or outside open. Egg cage inside and outside neat, to ensure that the sliding surface, screw, rack, gearbox, oil holes, etc. No oil leakage in all parts, no air leakage, equipment around the chips, debris, dirt to be cleaned up, tools, accessories, workpiece, product to be placed neatly, pipelines, lines should be organized, good lubrication, timely refueling or oil change, non-constant oil, no dry friction phenomenon. The oil pressure is normal, the oil mark is bright, the oil circuit is smooth. The oil quality meets the requirements. The oil gun, oil, 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 and other products. Oil quality meets the requirements. Oil guns, oil cups, linoleum clean, comply with safety regulations, do not overload the use of equipment. Equipment safety protection devices are complete and reliable, and timely elimination of unsafe factors. Daily maintenance of egg cage is the basic work of equipment maintenance, must be institutionalized and standardized. Regular maintenance of equipment to develop a work quota and material consumption quota, and according to the quota assessment, regular maintenance of equipment should be included in the workshop contract responsibility system of assessment. Regular inspection of equipment is a planned preventive inspection, the means of inspection in addition to human senses, but also a certain inspection tools and instruments, according to the implementation of the regular inspection card. Regular inspection of some people, also known as regular inspection. The mechanical equipment should also carry out precision checks to determine the degree of accuracy of the actual accuracy of the equipment. Egg cage maintenance should be carried out in accordance with the maintenance program. Equipment maintenance program is the daily maintenance of equipment requirements and regulations. Adhere to the implementation of equipment maintenance program. You can extend the service life of the equipment to ensure a safe and comfortable working environment. Its main content should include 1. The equipment to achieve neat, clean, strong, lubrication, corrosion, safety, and other operational content, operating methods, the use of tools and materials to achieve the standards and precautions. 2. Daily inspection and maintenance and regular inspection parts, methods and standards. 3. Contents and methods of checking and evaluating the degree of maintenance of equipment by operators, etc. If you have any other questions, welcome to call us for free access to equipment information. Telephone 00864007567068. 00861391-784-9689. WhatsApp can be the same number to add.